We're heading to Hoi An, the Vietnamese restaurant. This one is the yellow building. It's very delicious and it's always busy. So let's go. Beautiful. They grow their basil out there. And I have to show you their beautiful rice terrace view right there. If you guys can see, zoom in. Such a beautiful view, beautiful food, and that's their menu. And that's what we're making today: shrimp spring roll, and we're also doing the vegetarian. I'm gonna make the vegetarian one. So first you're gonna take the rice paper. You don't soak them in water or anything, just put them in a plate like that. Do you mind saying your name? What's your name?
Adi.
Adi?
Yeah.
Is it okay to show you?
Yeah.
So Adi, you're gonna show us how to make this nice spring roll. So you take some water. So he wrap it with his hands like that to get it a little bit soft.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
I think I drop it in the bag there.
It's okay.
Nice.
You know, this,
Oh, so you feel like it's like hard.
yeah,
Mm.
it's like hard up in the on.
Ah, the hard part in the top.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
that's a useful tip. So that the hard one, and you do it at the top.
Yeah.
Nice. Is there any way you can just show them that so that's the brand they're
Yeah.
using? He's such a nice guy. He's just showing me everything. And I'm sharing this with you guys because it's the best. Massage, massage. Because everything massage tastes better. And he softened it this way as well. I take some lettuce. Smells so good. I can't wait to go eat. The spring roll is waiting for me on my table.
Pickle.
Pickle. Rice noodles. And the rice noodle you just boil or you soak in water?
No, no. Yeah, yeah. Just with water.
Soak in water until it's soft?
No, not salt.
It's soft until it's
Yeah,
soft.
yeah.
Just
Until
soaking.
soft,
No
yeah.
boil.
No.
No boil.
Yeah.
Do you know how long? Like 10-15 minutes?
I think 10 minutes.
10 minutes
Yeah,
enough.
you will,
Okay.
yeah.
So you just soak them in cold water or room temperature water?
Yeah. Just warm water.
Warm water.
Yeah.
And put it in there for 10
Yeah,
minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah.
So we're gonna get some veggies because we're doing a veggie version. Forgive me guys, my throat kind of hurts, so my voice kind of funny. So even if you can't follow with what I'm saying, you still can follow along with our friend's recipe right here, with what he's doing. So he put some bottomed mushroom, some oyster mushroom. That's a mix of mushrooms he uses. 3 mushrooms: oyster mushroom, bottomed mushroom, and wood ear mushroom. Wood ear mushroom. They call it. They also call it fungus mushroom. And they call it wood ear mushroom because it looks like an ear.
Mushroom bottom.
Can you chew it from this hand like that so they can
Sorry. Oh yeah, sorry.
Thank you. So they can just see how
Yeah.
nice. Thank you.
This is carrot.
Roasted carrot. Not roasted, like on a pan, on a fire up?
Yeah.
Okay. So just some garlic, salt and pepper. That's it, right?
Yeah.
And then some tofu. Okay, so the tofu and the carrots cook the same way. Saute it in some garlic and salt and pepper. And now it's rolling time. That looks good. I always order the shrimp one. And the vegetarian looks really good too. We also have here frying the spring rolls, very delicious. And just roll. So beautiful. That's for the vegetarian. What's the name of this?
Huh?
What do you call it?
Guicon. Guicon. Guicon.
Guicon.
Yeah.
That looks so delicious. And that's it, my friends. So that's rice noodles, mint, carrot and radish mix, shrimp, and biscuits. Add some radish, pickle. To make this pickle,
Just water.
carrot and radish,
Yeah, carrot and radish.
water,
Water. Vinegar.
vinegar. Do you put sugar?
With sugar.
Sugar, and let it set for a few days, or you can use it right away.
Yeah, we make every day.
You make every day, so you don't wait to for it to get fermented. No.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
I put some rice noodles. Not much. Can you show like how much? Like, yeah, that's that much. Not much.
Not much.
Okay. And then mint.
Mint.
And then you wet your fingers and you fold. And you take shrimp. That's just steamed shrimp, right? You just steam it.
Two shrimp.
So basically, it's one shrimp cut into halves. You put it like that.
And sliced pork.
And that's pork, slice of pork. How you cook the pork?
Pork loin. Pork loin.
Pork loin.
Yeah.
And how you cook it? Do you boil it?
Just olive oil.
Just boil.
With salt.
With salt.
Yeah.
Okay. And the shrimp too, just boil?
Yeah, boil.
Okay.
Same.
So let's see. So you're gonna roll it. Sometimes they have chives and put it in there, but they don't have it today. And last one. That's it. Okay, so gonna put some sauce. Roasted peanuts that just blended with some water, some radish, and pickle, and some crunchy peanuts, right? Is that peanuts?
Peanut and garlic.
Peanuts and fried garlic and fried peanuts?
Yeah.
Or roasted peanuts?
Yeah, roast peanut.
Roasted peanut and fried garlic.
Yeah.
Okay. And that's it for the shrimp and brisket.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Alright. So I just wrapped mine in some basil and some lettuce. I'm gonna dip it in this peanut sauce. So I'm trying first the vegetarian one. Really good. I love the different texture from the mushrooms. First time trying the mushroom, I always order this traditional one. But when I saw them cooking this and adding lots of mushrooms, I said I must try this one. Just double dipping because it's all for me. Yeah, it's really good. Especially if you're a vegetarian, it's a good way to add loads of veggies in here. Now it's time to try this one. I'm gonna use the same dip right here. That's just classic. You can go wrong with this one. You have two options. If you're vegetarian, you go for this one. And if you don't like to mess around with classics, you go for this one. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.